Welcome to this tutorial video about our platform, Easy Marketing School. Today, I'll guide you through how you can benefit from our sector-focused, customized marketing course for beauty and cosmetics businesses. This comprehensive course dives into specialized marketing strategies tailored specifically for the beauty and cosmetics industry. It includes the fundamentals of marketing, followed by advanced techniques such as neuromarketing to help you understand consumer behavior and maximize conversions. It's ideal for beauty and cosmetics brand owners, makeup artists, and anyone passionate about the beauty sector. Why is this course a milestone? Think about all the money wasted on ads that don't convert or failed store launches. This course will teach you how to avoid these mistakes, saving you time, money, and frustration. Without the right strategies, you risk wasting money on ineffective advertising, losing valuable time on trial and error marketing methods, watching customers choose competitors over you, struggling with low sales while facing rent, salaries, and operational costs, seeing your business slide toward bankruptcy before it even gets off the ground. By investing in this course, you'll avoid $10,000 plus in unnecessary costs caused by poor marketing strategies. What makes this course unique? Our course is designed to be practical, easy to follow, and customized specifically for beauty and cosmetics businesses. Whether you're new to marketing, just starting your business, or seeking advanced insights, our step-by-step lessons will help you understand your audience and create high-converting campaigns. Our curriculum covers a wide range of essential topics to help you master marketing in this industry. Each video lesson features real-life examples from top beauty and cosmetics brands and uses a relatable storytelling approach to simplify complex concepts, making learning easier and more enjoyable. We also offer 10 free preview lessons so you can get a taste of the course before committing. We're confident you'll see immediate benefits from these video lessons. When you purchase the course, you get lifetime access to all the course videos. We're confident you'll be satisfied, but if not, you have the option to request a refund within 3 days. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you're ready to elevate your marketing skills in the beauty sector, click the link below to enroll in our course today and get 30% off by using the coupon code FUZZY30 at checkout. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your business and avoid costly marketing mistakes. Thank you for watching.